Unmanned aerial vehicles, better known as drones, are a fact of life now. They have all sorts of interesting and helpful uses. Fox News has its own fleet, but so do people with dubious intentions, as correspondent Brian Yennis reports tonight from Weehawken, New Jersey.
Iraqi forces take aim at an ISIS drone. The U.S. military says scenes like this have become more frequent over the last 6 months, as many as 30 encounters with them a week. ISIS is now using commercial drones to drop grenades from above or to surveil coalition troop movements in Iraq. The drones are inexpensive and accessible. ISIS propaganda videos posted online encourage drone attacks worldwide, and now some experts question whether the U.S. is prepared for that.
We don't have this type of technology, both the detection technology and then the countermeasure technology, in place yet.
The use of drones by terrorists is fueling a counter-industry. Dozens of companies have started up, like Drone Shield, which offers a drone gun, a signal jammer, which sends the drone back to where it came from or allows the operator to land it safely. Too small to detect on radar, Drone Shield can detect them by sound.
We listen out for the sound of a drone approaching. We are effective up to 1 kilometer, so very highly effective technology, and we separate the sound of the drone from the clutter.
These companies say their biggest customer so far is the U.S. military, which continues to put out calls for new research to defend against harmful drones, awarding at least $80 million to companies in February. Of particular concern is the ability to stop a swarm of drones.
A nightmare scenario could be 25 of these drones that you can buy over the counter that have been weaponized with explosives that you could put on a timer with a GPS coordinate, whether it's a military base or a nuclear facility.
This is a look from our Fox News drone. Counter-drone companies tell us prisons, stadiums, as well as others say that they're interested in this technology, but that current regulations prevent anyone other than the federal government from taking down a drone because they're considered aircraft. James?
Brian Yennis riding the wave of the future from New Jersey tonight. Brian, thank you.